Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your phone is just not outputting any calls. So you may be getting either no ringtone going through, or you may even be getting the call failed, pop up on your phone. Now, there's a couple different ways to fix this, but the very first way and the easiest way to fix this to know whether it's a problem with your phone or whatever is to actually determine if it's a signal problem on your phone. So what this basically means is if you have no signal on your phone, or if your phone is on airplane mode, you don't have any Wi-Fi connection, you don't have any data, you may be in a situation where your phone is just not going to be able to call anybody no matter what you do. So you may be in a location where there's absolutely no signal in, but chances are if you're watching this video, you probably have signal somewhere, or you're like in the basement of somewhere of your house or something and there's no signal there. If that happens, typically you may not be able to get a call through. So that's a very important thing. Now, if you're watching this video on your phone, then chances are you probably have Wi-Fi calling enabled on your phone somehow, so you can go ahead and make calls through your phone. So what you want to do is you want to click on settings. You want to make sure you're on like a page that looks like this. You want to go ahead and click on cellular, and here somewhere there should be, a enable Wi-Fi calling type of feature. You kind of want to go ahead and like kind of look through there, maybe go through your Wi-Fi connections here, make sure you're connected to a good signal, and then try making a call again. If that ends up not working out, you want to make sure your phone is not on airplane mode. You want to make sure your iPhone is set, you have signal. I would even recommend trying to go, maybe go to the Safari browser, try to load up some web pages, go into Snapchat, TikTok, go somewhere else and see if you're getting a proper connection. If all those other apps aren't working, then that shows you that you have a signal problem. So you're either going to have to connect to a Wi-Fi connection or something in order to actually get a call through, or go to a location that you can get cell signal. Now that's typically the first way to go ahead and fix this issue. Now the second batch of issues, if it's not the first one, which is typically the main issue, the next one, it's going to take you a little bit of effort. But what I would recommend doing is first of all, restarting your device. So first of all, holding up the volume up button and the side button right here, or if you have another iPhone with a home button, you can just hold down the side button here, and you want to swipe to, power off, and you want to restart your phone, so power back on. And at that point, you should be able to get resprung back into this screen, and I would recommend making the call at that point. Typically, if everything else is good and it's not a cell signal issue like we talked about before, then you should be able to go ahead and output this call and be able to call somebody. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is reinserting your SIM card into your device. So get your SIM card eject tool, put it right here, take the SIM card out and put it back in, and see if that ends up fixing the issue. You may be better off if you restart the phone here too, but that's another thing I would recommend doing. And just those two things in and of itself could probably end up fixing the issue. Now, if those two things still don't work, but you are getting like Wi-Fi connection and internet signal, then this pretty much means that your only other thing to do here is pretty much update your device. So you may be on a specific software that may be outdated. Maybe it doesn't have the best amount of features into it. Maybe it had a security bug, and maybe you're on a super outdated version of software. So a really good thing you can do here is literally just open up your settings app just like this. You want to scroll down into general, which is right here. You want to go into software update, which is that second option. And at this point, you want to go ahead and update your software to the latest version that it's supported. Like I mentioned before, sometimes you may be on a super outdated version of software and you're going to run into issues and you're not going to be able to call anybody. So in this specific case, go ahead and download the latest version that you can, that your phone supports, and then install this update and you should be good to go. At this point, try calling back, try doing whatever you can, and you should be good to call people. If you're still running into issues, I'd recommend rewatching this video or contacting Apple, and they should be able to help you from there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.